Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to get Discord overlay on Roblox. So firstly, after opening Windows, we will go to the search panel. In here, we'll type Discord. After typing Discord, just click on open. Now our Discord is open. Now in order to toggle the overlay on for any game, especially Roblox, we'll go to the user settings section. From here, we'll scroll down to the bottom of this left hand section, then click on game overlay. You have to make sure that you turn the in-game overlay to on and make sure to check the overlay lock key. After that, you will go to the registered game section. From here, you will find a Roblox. Make sure to turn the toggle overlay on in here. And after you have done that, just minimize Discord. Go to the search panel again, then type Roblox player. Then click on open. After that, you will go to any game. So I'll just get into this game. And after the game load, if you press the hotkey button that you had previously selected, you will see that the Discord overlay will open. From here, you can chat with your friends and do all kinds of stuff you can do in default Discord.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.